question, the member from Kenora-Rainy River.
Thank you, Speaker. To the Premier. Speaker, as this Liberal government is aware, the residing Rainy River District Crown Attorney is retiring. Rather than immediately undertake a search for a replacement, the Ministry of the Attorney General has decided to hire a rent-a-crown from a neighbouring district hundreds of kilometres away, despite the fact that the statistics show that the Rainy River District Crown Attorney has the highest caseload per capita in Northern Ontario. Speaker, my question is simple. Can the Premier tell us when there will be a permanent resident Crown Attorney for the Rainy River District?
Thank you. Premier.
Mr. Speaker, I don't have the time frame on that. I'm going to ask the Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services to look at that. But, Mr. Speaker, what I can say is that it would obviously be very critical that services would be in place, Mr. Speaker, that there would be access to those services at any time, given the severity of cases, Mr. Speaker. So the fact that there hasn't been a permanent appointment does not mean that the services would not be available to the members' residents.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Thank you. All Ontarians deserve fair and equitable access to justice as a basic right. This latest blow to access to justice in the Rainy River District comes on the heels of a decision to not replace the resident judge and serves to as a further erosion of services and a further marginalization of the area. A resident Crown Attorney has the knowledge of the area, including the knowledge and sensitivity to First Nation issues as identified by the Gladue Principle, and, just as importantly, is available and accessible. No community should have to settle for whistle-stop justice. Will the Premier commit today to hiring a permanent replacement for the Crown Attorney that resides in the Rainy River District without delay?
Community Safety Correctional Services.
Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services.
Well, thank you very much, Speaker, and I want to thank the member opposite for asking the question. I appreciate very much what the Premier response is. Of course, we take access to justice very, very seriously, Speaker. That is a fundamental tenet of our judicial system, is to make sure that all citizens have a timely access to justice. By Speaker, I'm confident that the Ministry of the Attorney General is doing everything in its power to make sure that the services that are needed in all communities across the province, especially Northern Ontario, are available in a timely manner. I know, Speaker, there has been a significant effort that has been put in place to ensure that we continue to modernize our justice system, to better utilize technology in the delivery of justice system, Speaker, and of course, Speaker, to ensure that services are also being provided in the French language, which is also an essential aspect of access to justice.
Thank you.